If you download pirated movies from the internet, they've got a word for that. It's stealing.
Maybe it seems okay to do because it's really easy to get something for free.
But if you made your living selling something, you wouldn't want people to steal it just because they can.
When you illegally download any kind of content, you make it harder for the very performers and creative artists that you enjoy to make a living.
Thousands of people that work behind the scenes in the adult industry are hurt by content theft.
Many of us have families that we support with our income.
We pay taxes and contribute to local economies.
And while the performers, artists, producers, and retailers are losing money, the guys that run the illegal tube and torrent sites are making money.
By exploiting material that doesn't belong to them.
And they do not care about the consumer either.
They offer inferior quality content and expose you to malware and spyware,
as well as activity that could be potentially criminal,
without you even being aware of it.
If you watch adult entertainment,
or any content available on the internet,
the people that created it want you to enjoy it. They just need you to pay for it.
So we can continue to make the product that you enjoy watching.
We in the adult entertainment family love and appreciate our fans.
But eventually, if no one's willing to pay for the movies we make, they won't exist.
We work hard to entertain you and arouse you, so please show your support by buying our product.
If you're watching this,
chances are you did pay for your entertainment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
We made it just for you.